to Abbazia di Crapolla here in Vico Equense, Napoli, with Antonio, the owner, and we're going to make delicious spaghetti aglio e olio. Stay tuned. This is truly a piece of heaven, Antonia. I thought I knew Vico Equense, apparently I don't. This is amazing. Tell us how the two abbeys were connected.
Yes, if you can see here from the right, is Via Minerva, and from here this abbey can reach Crapolla Sant'Agata in Sant'Agata.
What we're going to do, Antonio, because I want to share with my followers around the world, we're going to make, che facciamo? Che cuciniamo oggi? Veloce, spaghetti aglio e olio, spaghetti garlic and oil.
Napolitan dishes.
And how long does it take? 10 minutes, right?
Yes.
Let's get to it. Spaghetti aglio e olio with Antonio. Antonio, tell us a little bit why I chop up the garlic. Why spaghetti aglio e olio? Perché è un piatto che qui impazziscono.
Yes, yes.
Typical and
my
delicious.
grandmother always cook for me these dishes because it's a poor dish, and in Naples it's typical for this. After the war, it's quick, and there are not a lot of product, and
available.
This is perfect
Yes.
for in 5 minutes you can eat.
Yes,
and it's so good.
And I want to share that after weddings, after people spend at a wedding eating and dancing for 5, 6, 7 hours, they'll pull out spaghetti aglio e olio right about 3 a.m. Okay, I'm going to do it just like my mom and my grandmother showed me. Plenty of garlic and plenty of oil because that's what gives the flavor. So it's simple, the good ingredients, a good local grown. By the way, if you're able to access to fresh garlic, this is fresh garlic. It's spring now, it's right in season.
Beautiful.
It's from Antonio's garden. You could also use your fresh garlic, but I'm going the traditional way, which is accessible to for us in America, and it's the regular dry garlic. Okay, let's go ahead and add the oil right in. Bunch up your parsley just like this and cut it. Always careful not to burn anything. Plenty of salt in your water and bring it to a boil. Look, the oil is ready, the pasta is going to be boiling. This is literally a 10-minute meal. You want to have the starch in the water, so don't put too much water and little spaghetti, because the starchiness is what gives the creaminess.
Yeah.
Pasta is ready, let's just add it in. Get that sizzle, this is exactly what you want. Oh, che profumo. Antonio, sente il profumo?
Bellissimo.
Bellissimo, veramente. For extra creaminess, we're gonna add a ladle of the pasta water. The best part of all my videos is when I get to taste it. Dai, Antonio, insieme.
What are we waiting for?
Assaggiamo. Oh, troppo grande questo boccone. It's okay? It's all right? It's all right. I'm going. Delicious. Sai come diciamo? Buonissimo, delicious.
Delicious.
Delicious, absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching. Alla prossima. Let me know if you love these out of my kitchen videos, traveling my beautiful Italia. Follow me, hit the like button, subscribe. Ci vediamo alla prossima, arrivederci. Ciao ciao.
Beautiful. You must do this if you say in Italy. This is carpetta.
Ok, a zuppam il pane dicono a Vico. It truly completes the meal. Sai come diciamo? Buonissimo, delicious.
Delicious.
Delicious, absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching. Alla prossima. Let me know if you love these out of my kitchen videos, traveling my beautiful Italia. Follow me, hit the like button, subscribe. Ci vediamo alla prossima, arrivederci. Ciao ciao.